My name is Baby Lulu, and I am your friend.
Baby Lulu, play and learn. Play together, learn together.
Uh-oh, toothbrush time. What we go do? We brush our teeth. Follow me step by step. Step 1. Get your brush. Step 2. Tiny toothpaste. Small like pea, good. Ready? Let's brush. Front teeth, brush, brush. Top teeth slowly. Bottom teeth, nice. Left side, clean, clean. Right side, perfect. Now let's sing it. Brush your teeth, right side clean. Smile bright, keep them shiny and keen.
Baby Lulu helps us brush today. E-I-E-I-O. With a toothbrush in our hand today. E-I-E-I-O. With a brush, brush here and a brush, brush there. Here a brush, there a brush, everywhere brush, brush. Baby Lulu helps us brush today. E-I-E-I-O. Now we add a tiny dot. E-I-E-I-O. Brush, brush, brush my teeth. Morning time today. Tiny dots of toothpaste. Brush the germs away.
Great singing. Now you try. Copy me. Your turn. Hold your brush. Copy me, front teeth. Now the sides go slow. Small water, rinse. Amazing! Now, when do we brush our teeth? Morning time, brush teeth. After food, brush again. Nighttime before sleep, brush. It keeps our smile clean. Now let's play a fun game. Which one we use, toothbrush or spoon? Yes, toothbrush. Which one, toothpaste or ketchup? Yes, toothpaste. Sparkly smile, great job!
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.